Here is our ending sound, UNK. UNK. Let's put some consonants in front of it and make words. You ready? Tap and stretch. Bunk. Tap and stretch again. Bunk. Say it fast. Bunk. Yeah, I have a bunk bed in my room. Good job. Tap and stretch. Sunk. Tap and stretch. Sunk. Say it fast. Sunk. Yeah, my ship sunk. Tap and stretch. Junk. Tap and stretch. Junk. Say it fast. Junk. There is so much junk in my closet. I need to get rid of it. Here's another one. Tap and stretch. Dunk. Tap and stretch. Dunk. Say it fast. Dunk. I dunked the basketball in the basket. Okay, here's a blend. You ready? Tap and stretch. Skunk. Tap and stretch. Skunk. Say it fast. Skunk. There is a skunk on the driveway. Ah. Here's another blend. Tap and stretch. Trunk. Tap and stretch. Trunk. Say it fast. Trunk. Yeah, we put the skunk in the trunk. No, that's a bad idea. Don't do that. We have a digraph here. CH. It's 2 letters, but it makes one sound. Ch. Ch. You ready? Let's tap and stretch. Chunk. Good. Tap and stretch again. Chunk. Say it fast. Chunk. Yeah, I want a big chunk of that chocolate, please. And that is our ending UNK. Good job.